so many balls to juggle in program management, it is more important than ever to harness seemingly endless data in order to more effectively deliver and communicate your business objectives. For program managers, quickly turning data into insightful business intelligence means effectively communicating through portfolio analyses, where you're able to quickly respond whether a project is on track or in trouble, where you're able to quickly look at issues and understand the projects and even understand their health. And it means quickly communicating costs and timelines and milestones, risks and issues. At Data Analytics Technology Advantage, we help program managers and product managers to manage data in order to more effectively manage their projects and programs. My name is Lindsay Petty. Thank you for your time.